the bright opportunities in each new day. Every day may not be good, but there is something in each new day. Honorable Chief Guests, By Salman Khan sir, respected Principal sir, and other staffs of Jamia, and most respected parents and students of Jamia Zia. Assalamu alaikum and a very warm good afternoon to all of you. Today, I'm Twasim Gose standing before you with a brief speech on the importance of hijab in Islam. There are so many topics in Islam that fascinate me, but the one who inquires my desire to learn more is the topic of women and hijab. There are many views with regard to hijab in Islam by the Muslims themselves. The issue of hijab can be analyzed with several perspectives. Firstly, the Islamic view on hijab, the importance and benefits to the society alone, and the world view on hijab. And women wearing hijab are living in a Western hemisphere. However, women believe that the wearing of hijab is right and choice of Muslim women. They are not forced or pressured to cover veil. They are not forced to cut their hair when they are around men that are not their mahrams. Muslim women believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordered all the females after the age of puberty have to wear the hijab. And this is an obligation from the Lord. As many others obligation in Islam, such as praying 5 times in a day, pilgrimage to Mecca, fasting in the month of Ramadan, and to wear hijab is also compulsory in Islam. There are no excuses, no elements to certain women wear or not. The issue of choice cannot be entertained by the Muslim feminists. Sometimes when women decide to wear the hijab, there are family members who disagree with them. The main reason behind these family members feels that these women will be tormented in the society and they will not get a good job or a husband. I said to them, please have a faith with all merciful, all knower. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loved the person who is closer to him. And he knows that a strong and dedicated woman will put all her efforts to wear hijab and will try and support herself in this wonderful religious act that she did. Muslim women is wearing and starting to wear hijab is to keep herself to the right information and in order to answer the interesting question from non-Muslim. Every Muslim sister is not properly encouraged. If they start to observe the requirement of hijab, it may be that the sister is obliged to wear hijab. Perhaps she has reached at the age of puberty and her guardian has instructed her. I want to end my speech with these beautiful lines that don't sacrifice your beauty just for a compliment and a few Instagrams like, because one day of judgment nobody will even look at you twice. At least I want to tell a few lines about Teach India Foundation. I want to say the Teach India Foundation can change my life. The best thing that Salman Khan sir always keeps us motivated. They give all the students a chance to improve themselves. They give us a life lesson because they taught us the English language. That is very important for all students. Must have to participate in this type of coaching. I think that a truly amazing teacher, that a truly amazing English teacher is hard to find, hard to live, but impossible to forget. I want to say that the best coach can change a game, but the best coaching can change your life.
Very good.